Welcome back. For today's video, you will learn how to pay your SSS contribution through MYEG.ph. To start, go to Google and search for MYEG.ph. Click on the first site to proceed. Then follow the next steps in the video. Enjoy watching.
If you already have an account, proceed with login. If you do not have an account, proceed with register. Click the button that says sign up using email. After clicking sign in, type your email address. Then, create a password, a strong one so that the system will accept it. Then, click the submit button once done. An activation email will be sent to your email. The one that you use to make an account, click the activate button on the email. Then go back to the site. Log in with your email and created password earlier. Then proceed to the next step. Click the SSS option to proceed. Click Generate PRN to proceed. Fill out the following information needed to be completed. Make sure the information are correct and accurate. Then, click Next to proceed to the member details. Put your email. Then, click Next. After that, the site will show you a preview of your information, then show you the billing information. Make sure it's correct, then click Confirm and Pay. Now, you're about to pay your SSS contribution. Choose a method. For online payment methods like GCash and PayMaya, there is an additional 15 pesos convenience fee. For over-the-counter transactions, like 7-Eleven and BDO, there is an additional 20 pesos convenience fee. For credit card transactions, there is an additional 45 peso convenience fee. And for bank transfers like RCBC, BDO, BPI, and Metrobank, there is an additional 20 pesos convenience fee. After you choose, click Proceed. Pay through your chosen method. I use GCash, so just scan the QR code to pay. After paying through GCash, my billing information showed complete. This will also show yours once you're done and all set with the process that I showed you. That's all. Thanks for watching.
I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you had any questions, put them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.